So I want to do a little update on the smoke tint I put over the headlights. If you remember some time ago, it's that light smoke. It's 35%, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I liked it. Gives a little bit more aggressive look without cutting the light output so much. But what I haven't noticed here, and I didn't notice when I put them on, is that it does perform or like allow a lot of haze coming through. If you can see that right there. A lot of haze from the overlay when the light shines through it right here. So it doesn't really affect the output of the light, but having any color film on here, I believe will do it, no matter how clear the quality of the film. Let me show you again. I'll turn the lights on. You can see like right there, it produces quite a bit of haze. They aren't as sharp and crisp as I thought they were when I installed it. I think some of that might have been because it was still wet, so it kind of hides some of that. But like I said, can't really tell that bad, but I wanted to share that with you just in case you want to put them on and it does cause a little bit of haziness, you know. So I might take these off and just do the 3M clear protectant like I've done before. So it adds that protection to the headlights so they don't get chipped and stuff from rocks, and it doesn't create any of that, you know, because it's 100% clear. So I might go ahead and do that. You know, like I said, this is very subtle, but if you guys are running a darker tint that have a 20%, I imagine it'd be even more than that on top of cutting the output down. So, you know, but like you can see it, because without it, the lights are beautiful. Nice, crisp, clean look. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're thinking about doing it, know that it will cause a little haziness. Like I said, it might not be a huge deal to you. I haven't really noticed it yet, but to some people, you might not like that. Okay, so hope that helps you out in your decision if you decide to run something like that. Like I said, let me know if you're noticing that on yours too, if you're running the overlays on your lights, especially your headlights. I wouldn't think the tail lights have anything, but on the headlights for sure. Drop a comment below. I appreciate that. Again, hit that bell so you can be notified. I upload videos weekly, so you don't want to miss out on that. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.